Put your hands on your knees, both hands in Chin Mudra, spine straight, knees, hips, shoulders relaxed, eyes closed, chin parallel to the ground. Gently lift chest up. Try to disconnect yourself from the outer world. Breathe in and out deeply. Try not to be bothered with your thoughts. Imagine this movement is made just for you. And feel your presence in this very moment. And breathe deeply and consciously. Slowly, when you are ready, open your eyes. Take your both hands over your head, interlock your fingers and try to stretch your whole upper body. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Slowly come to standing position in the front of your mat, Samasthiti. From the front of the mat, take one step distance. Very good. Find yourself in one line. Divide the body weight equally on your foot, front and back, left and right, and center. Be aware of your knees. Place both hands on your hips. Gently tuck the tailbone in. Now take your hands by the side of your femur. Gently lift your chest up. Your fingers are pointing directly onto the ground. Your chin is parallel to the floor and gaze at one point in front of you. Find yourself in one line. Now take both hands front of the chest. We chant the opening mantra of Ashtanga. Take a deep inhale. Repeat after me. Vande Gurunam Charanarvinde Sandarshita Swatma Sukhavbodhe Nishreyase Jangali Kayamane Samsara Hala Hala Moha Shanti Abahu Purushakaram Shankha Chakra Sidharinam सहस्र शीर्षं श्वेतं
सहस्रशीर्षं श्वेतं
प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिम्
प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिम्।
Gently open your eyes. Bring the hands down. Now we start with 5 traditional sun salutations of Ashtanga system. We begin with first sun salutation. Ekam, inhale, raise both hands up as far as you can. Dve, exhale, bending forward gently. Trini, inhale, raise your head up, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, step back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, raise your head up, chest up, look up. Shat, exhale, move into downward facing dog, which is also called Adhomukh Shvanasana. Look down to your mat or your navel. Breathe here 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, inhale, look forward and step forward. Ashto, exhale, head down. Nava, inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second sun salutation. Ekam, inhale, hands up. Dve, exhale, bend forward. Trini, inhale, raise your head up, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, step back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, head up, chest up, look up. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe here 5 breaths and follow my instructions. 1, keep knees little bit micro bend. 2, draw the navel inward towards lower back as gentle as possible. 3, be aware of your feet and your arms. 4, and 5. Sapta, inhale, step forward only. Lengthen your spine. Ashto, exhale, soft stomach, head down. Nava, inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, Samasthiti, very good. Third round, Ekam, inhale, raise both hands up. Dve, exhale, bend forward. Trini, inhale, raise your head up, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, step back to Chaturanga. Here you can modify your Chaturanga as well if you do not have enough strength in the beginning. Pancha, inhale, head up, chest up. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe here. 5 equal inhale and exhale. 1. Keep your drishti on your nose or the navel. 2. Shoulders relax. 3. 4. Breathe that much so you can hear your own breath. 5. Inhale, step or jump forward. Ashto, exhale, head down. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, Samasthiti. How many rounds? 3. Ekam, inhale, raise both hands up. Dve, exhale, bend forward. Trini, inhale, head up, lengthen your spine, relax your back of the neck. Chatwari, exhale, step or jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, head up, chest up, look up, stretch your front neck. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Remember the points I guide you through in downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, inhale, step forward. Ashto, exhale, head down as far as you can with ease. Nava, inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Last one, inhale, hands up. Dve, exhale, bend forward. Trini, inhale, raise your head up, lengthen your spine, relax the back of your neck. Chatwari, jump back to Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, head up, chest up. Shat, exhale, downward dog. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, inhale, step forward. Ashto, exhale, head down. Nava, inhale, all the way up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Slowly come to sitting position. Take cross leg. Try to relax here for few breaths. Hands in Chin Mudra. From Ujjayi breathing, come to gentle breathing. Be aware of your breath. Surya Namaskara practice in Ashtanga system is a complete practice for the whole body. If you do not have enough time in your busy schedule, you can begin your practice with 5 sun salutations and a good 5 to 10 breaths relaxation. It is good enough to bring enough energy for your whole day routine. Thank you.